metal alloy consisting of copper and zinc. 4. The most abundant element in Earth crust is oxygen, 46.6%, and silicon is the second abundant element of Earth, and silicon is called the Earth Maker. 5. Which type of phosphorus used in matches? Red phosphorus. 6. Oldest known element? Copper. 7. Neon gas is used in decoration lighting. 8. A low area storm with high winds rotating about a center of low atmospheric pressure is called cyclone. We are saved from ultraviolet rays of sun through ozone layer when heavy unstable elements split into relatively smaller elements along with the release of energy is called fission. Marie Curie was a physicist and chemist famous for her pioneering research on radioactivity. She was the first person honored with 2 Nobel Prizes, in physics and chemistry. Gunpowder is a mixture of sulfur, charcoal and potassium nitrate, niter. Cooking gas is a mixture of butane and propane. Chlorination is the process of adding the element chlorine to water as a method of water purification to make it fit for human consumption as drinking water. Sulfur is mixed with the rubber to make it more flexible. The law of floating bodies was discovered by Greek scientist Archimedes. What is the name of the milky fluid obtained from trees which is used to produce rubber? Latex. The dates on which day and night is equal are 21st March and 23rd September. Who discovered X-rays? Röntgen. Dr. Alfred Bernhard Nobel discovered dynamite. Law of gravitation was introduced by Sir Isaac Newton. Water was discovered by Cavendish. 3 elements needed for the healthy growth of plants are N, P. Laughing gas has chemical composition of the following 2 elements which are N plus O. Laughing gas has chemical composition of the following 2 elements which are N plus O. Natural radioactivity was discovered by Becquerel in 1896.